Hi guys, this video is about the Vlookup function and the Hlookup function. First of all, the Vlookup function. On this side of the screen in cell A4, I've named the cell input code. The table below, this green table, I've named product code. And then I can refer to those names with my Vlookup function. So in cell B4, I have a Vlookup function which is looking at whatever goes into the input code, which at the moment is ADF. It's looking at the product code table, which is a green table, and then the number 2 means column 2 of that table. So column 1 is the code, column 2 is the description, column 3 is the cost. So it's looking at column 2. The 0 means an exact match. I want an exact match. So I'll just tick that formula for a second and change the code to something else. ABC, it brings back nuts there, nuts, and £1. So this column is exactly the same, using the same names. The only difference is that I am now looking at column 3. So if I delete these two and type them in, you'll see how it works. Equals Vlookup. Open the bracket. So the little help that comes up wants to know what the value I'm looking at is. I've called that input code. Then it wants to know what my table is. I've called my table product code. It comes up in the list as soon as you start typing. And double clicking on product code. Doing another comma. Which column do I need? I need column 2. Then another column, and then do I want an approximate match or an exact match? I want an exact match, and I know I can put a 0 there. Close my bracket, click the tick, and it brings back nuts. I can just pull that across for cost, but I do need to change the column number for cost to 3 and tick that, and it comes back as 1, which I need to format to pounds, which I have. So that is a basic Vlookup, vertical lookup. Now Hlookup works in a similar way. So this table is laid out slightly different. I have named this area computer. I have named this cell computer ID, and then when I select a computer ID, the details for that computer come across into this purple area. So that's PC6. It's come across there. So this is Hlookup, horizontal lookup. It's exactly the same format as a Vlookup, except you've got a H in front of the word lookup. So the process is the same. If I delete that one, I type equals Hlookup, open the bracket. The lookup value is a computer ID. And then I want to know what the table is. The table I've called computer. Then it wants to know, in this case, what row number do I want. First of all, I want row 2. And again, the next item is an exact match. So I select 0, I click the tick, and I get, for PC6, 8 gigabytes. If I change that to PC1, I get 10 gigabytes. So that is Vlookup and Hlookup.